We've got Charlie, kitty that was born earlier this year, and her mama Mimi. Mimi's. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Mimi. There's Mimi and Mimi's new babies. They're 2 weeks old today. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Babies. Little babies. Hello, little babies. Yeah, they like their heads scratched. Hello, little babies. Hello, babies. Hello, little babies.
Hey, was that a sheep baby?
Yep. The neighbor's got sheep. Max's.
What is it? Cutie. Hi, cutie. Bye.
Put the kitties back.
Hi, cutie.
Yep.
That's a
Hey, can you pick up the orange one?
Why?
Because someone's going to take that one home. I want to show them. There's the baby kitty. Max, you're a mess.
Why does someone have to take the orange one?
Okay, put them back.
Why does someone have to take the orange one?
Max is really gentle with them because somebody's going to have her. Hi, babies. Kitties.
But can you take the
Oh, look at that one. Hi, babies.
Look at the fuzzy one.
I know, they're all fuzzy, aren't they?
Yeah, they're all cutie and they're all chubby.